the guideline is that when a particular structure has to be demolished, the authorities first will have to see whether this is the only house which is unauthorized or illegal, or there are more houses in the vicinity. If that is the case, then the authority will proceed and take a decision, and in that decision they will have to consider multiple factors, including whether entire house is illegal or partially it is illegal, or it can be compounded or not. And once this decision is taken, it will be forwarded to the collector. The collector will appoint nodal officer, and then a notice will be issued to the aggrieved person, and the aggrieved person will have then a right to defend his house, and then final order will be passed. Once that final order is passed that it requires to be demolished, then he will be given 15 days so that he is able to remove his belongings from the house, or if there is appeal provided in the statute, he could go and file an appeal. It has also said that in case it is found that these procedures have been violated by the concerned officer, the courts and the authorities will fix personal accountability of those officers, and in certain cases, if it is proved, even the restitution of the houses shall have to be done from the personal pocket of the officers.